Hello, teacher. My name is John Alexander. Travel experience Trapiche Valle. The last vacation with the pan the Trapiche of Cali Valle. I wish to die and with me family I love because it is place away from I know the online speed. It understand vision. I like because I have a great biodiversity of animals. It's alone I have temperate climate. For example, I want to like climate which is very cool and is really to like it. I reason in August to the rents the influence on August because I start working last Monday. I recommend you what your soul doing the behalf of the Trapiche. People on vacation visited the Valerie Sugar Mill. I soon visited never it like Kalima. They mush riding horse. They sold tables, soul visited, cove the tall are in the city. They sold yachts, van and chef and drinking coffee. The light so visited the Washington Pole. It's shared with its environment. A so yacht bakery and exercise. La paper one visited the Valle Trapiche. There I saw no good one pannered boats. They saw no gone one cabs for solar blackers. It is better not go to the lake rivers alone. I saw not the reader ours alone. Thank you very much.